Archbold Biological Station is an ecological research, conservation, and education center in South Central Florida. It's located on 9,000 acres of globally threatened Florida scrub habitat. Archbold has just opened its Learning Center and Lodge, certified as LEED Platinum, the highest possible rating for green buildings. In addition, the buildings are Florida Water Star certified by the Southwest Florida Water Management District. This is the second video in a new Archbold series, Going Green, and shares what we learned from our green construction. We get a lot of rain in Florida. Around Archbold, it averages 53 inches every year. That's nearly 4.5 feet of rain. Even though we get a lot of rain, in South Florida, most of it falls in the rainy season, from June through October. November through May can be a period of extreme drought. In natural habitats, like in the scrub at Archbold, the rain soaks into the ground or runs off into wetlands. Evaporates from lakes and wetlands, or is transpired, or released back into the atmosphere, by plants. Rain also falls onto surfaces that don't absorb water, like roads, parking areas, and roofs, where the water runs off very fast. Early settlers in Florida did not let the rain falling on their roofs go to waste. They collected the rainwater as a source of water for themselves, their livestock, and their crops. The harvested rainwater was stored in a large container known as a cistern. Just like nature, cisterns work on the principle of collecting or harvesting as much water as possible during the rainy season and then storing it for use later when it's dry. At Archbold's new Learning Center, we revived the tradition of using a rainwater cistern, but we added some modern upgrades to bring rainwater harvesting into the 21st century. We had 3 conservation reasons for installing rainwater harvesting. 1, to reduce the amount of stormwater runoff flowing from our roofs into our ditches. 2, to reduce the amount of precious groundwater we pump from the Floridan aquifer to meet our needs. And 3, to reduce the amount of chemical treatment needed for our water, because rainwater for flushing toilets does not need treatment. To collect the rain, we installed a smooth, clean metal roof with gutters. Downspouts on every corner of the roof channel the rain into underground pipes. Some of these downspouts are clear, giving visitors an inside look at the water rushing down. The water from the downspouts flows through filters to remove leaves and debris and then pours into the underground cistern. The cistern lies below our prairie porch, the concrete deck where student activities take place. We marked the spot to show visitors where the cistern lies. It's about 7 feet wide, 20 feet long, and 7 feet deep. It stays dark underground and no algae grow, keeping the water clean and healthy. When the cistern is full, it holds just over 5,500 gallons of rainwater. If it is already full and it's still raining, we have an overflow area, filtering the water as it drains down into the soil. We circulate the water through a high-tech, ultraviolet sterilization system to keep it clean and fresh. By code, rainwater stored in a cistern can be used only for activities that do not touch your skin. That means you can use rainwater for flushing toilets and doing the laundry, but not for brushing your teeth, cooking, or taking a shower. Using rain to flush our toilets should help us save about 77,000 gallons per year, or enough water to fill more than 11 tanker trucks. A computer system tracks how much rainwater we are using every day from the cistern. You can benefit at home by collecting water from your roof. Think about installing a rain barrel to water your landscape with rainwater. You can buy one from a garden center or through your local county extension office. If you'd like to learn more about how our new buildings save water and energy, visit our website at www.archbold-station.org.